Hi, my name is Jessica Ortiz. We're going to be making sandstorm food coloring art project. Here it goes. So I got a cup of sand and I put some sand in the cup and I filled it up, and now I have these four or these three. 1 second. I have to go get my other coloring thing. Here it is. So we're going to be making this cool art project. Hopefully it works out. Let's check it out. So the first thing you're going to do is I'm going to be pouring it in the cup. Let's get this camera set up straight. Let's see if I can get this set up somewhere where I can do this project. 1 second. So let's put it right up here. And let's move these. So what I'm going to do is pour a few drops of these. Let's see how it goes. Pour on the sides. Pour the next color. Blue. Let's sink it in. Let's pour our next color. Let's get the green one. And then let's stir it. Let's see what happens when we stir it. Let me grab a tool. Stir it. Let's see what happens. Let's see right here. We are mixing it in. Looks pretty good. Nice colors here. Now, let's see what I'm going to do next. Where should I put it in? Something, right? Okay, that's it. We made it. Have a good day.